we waiting?
I'm finna drop kids off today.
Drop them off. We can leave them on the porch. Yo, man. You said something? Oh, you guys had to go and get a window for that.
Yeah, for that.
That's what you went and got a window for? Who busted that window out there, baby daddy? Damn. He replacing old girl window. I said her baby daddy did it. Cheap ass. Did you do the lights yet? No.
Hell no.
Dad, what is you doing?
What you doing? You got
the fuck is you doing up there, dude?
There's a bitch out here.
I'm finna go get a beater.
I can't see the nigga on the camera, man.
I'm finna go get a beater.
He out here, nigga.
Bullshit. I would have been happy.
He says Taco Tuesday. Look at that ass.
Got his hoochie daddy shorts on.
No. They said, hey, he talking to YouTube. He said, y'all can't see him. He got some hoochie daddy shorts.
Oh, wow.
You can re-wrap under the bumper.
And he got the drill.
It's just a wrap. All you gotta do is.
What the hell is all this extra shit?
You ain't gonna mess up no paint. Your shit clean under the hood, low key. Look at this whole little bracket. All that shit look like. You feel?
That's a beastie ass 301.
That shit look good. Throw you a cam in this hole. I ain't know cams was cheap. Them niggas was telling me the other day, this motherfucker 300, 400. What?
Depends on what.
Nigga.
Which one you get, nigga.
Nigga, the way they was talking.
Because the stage 2 cam that was in that Firebird, the paperwork, it said like, I want to say like, it had the label with it. I want to say the price was 100, 200.
Fuck it. That's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? $300 cam. Where is that right now? Where?
He stole his shit.
How fast can you do it? I want my shit. I'm finna straight pipe my shit. If he fix my shit right now, I'm finna straight pipe it. Yeah, I'm finna get the exhaust cut off. Andrew talking about he got away. We finna see. I don't think he did it. Yesterday, yeah. I think it's that hose. You know how many people telling me that hose at the top and that lube little thing came out? Everybody like, how the fuck do you break a transmission? That's.
I mean, it's possible. You definitely can't crack a transmission. Yeah. But your car ain't just hitting the ground.
That's what I'm saying.
So, like, I don't know how it would crack.
Bro.
I don't want to strip this.
Everybody think it's the hose because the hose goes over the thing. The hose goes over the transmission around the top.
That's bullshit, bro.
We gonna see, man. What you doing?
That's screwed.
Why is it hard?
I gotta get some. Man, these bitches old, fool. Look how rusted these bitches is, bro.
Oh, the screws?
Yeah.
They have.
I've been on it forever.
You got it, fool.
No, you got it. Go buy me some.
Some what? Some what?
I need some more screws.
You got them Halo joints. You finna be winking.
Put the headlights, my nigga Sean gotta
This
put the
beastie.
headlights in.
You finna be winking that hose, huh?
Like,
If I put the
Big
screws
wing.
in it, my nigga
shit
Sean
gonna
gotta
look
put
good.
the headlights in.
You gotta break them in.
Yeah, you gotta give him the mirror so he can ride it and make sure that.
Dawg said break them in. Looking ass nigga, I gotta warm them up for you. Cheap eyes. Everybody getting the Halos. Y'all gonna make me go or me.
you made me get some brighter lights.
I don't know though, cause I love my bright ass. Them ain't no Halos. Them LEDs. You can go to 7 Mile Fair.
And it's just the bug.
You just a bug.
Niggas think they Beyonce and want to get Halo.
Cheap ass. I just said he finna be winking at
Here
hoes.
we go, blue lights, man.
Mm.
They be out here looking like a Lego.
Oh, these bitches gonna be blue.
You be riding with them blue? That shit gonna be cold. The white.
Them the ones you can change colors? No.
They
I thought
not?
about getting those.
You don't pay that extra 50.
No, they wasn't even that much more.
Cheap as a bitch.
Yeah.
I want a tire. This tire, a good tire be extra 50. Niggas like going.
No, just give me that one.
You know what?
Just throw me the user real quick. I'ma come back, lying like a
I
motherfucker.
just needed to get past for today.
Oh, what? Nigga be driving that motherfucker next month.
And that bitch on for the next year.
Skinny.
5 minutes flat.
You did a window in 5 minutes. Sean P messed up the window on the box Chevy. What we gotta do? Take the door apart? That's too much work. What the fuck? He got his shit braced for racing. Oh, that's the. Thank all y'all for watching. Y'all been most definitely showing y'all motherfucking ass on the Glazing with TJ page and on the Instagram How You Riding TV page. If you can, just click the like button right now and notification bell, and you will see every goddamn video I drop from now till the end of time, goddamn it, because I ain't gonna stop this shit. It's the 8th annual this weekend. 8 years doing shows, 10 years with How You Riding TV. CEO and founder, the originator, you need. I started this shit at 17 years old. 16, 17 years old, man. 27. About to be 28. What up, bro? She like a black Chucky son.
He said like 120.
120.
All I see was 120. Wait till I get through with this. This is old school.
It's just a bottle.
What you trying to say?
It's just a bottle. It's just a bottle. That's all he got.
Work it off, man.
What? You don't break my shit. I'm gonna go fuck that Lexus up.
Snap that
right.
shit off.
Fuck it up. It's got insurance. It's called whoever broke it, fix it.
So what you gotta do? You gotta get 2 more
Two more what?
headlights. Or you got 4? Oh, you in there like swimwear.
This one is this side.
He did all that taking.
You in there like the pool at Washington Park, boy. You ain't going nowhere.
I'm out here.
Uh,
He just broke my shit.
you outside for sure, for sure.
You got other ones. I still ain't hear you. I was listening to this nigga.
Cheap ass nigga. I ain't even beating
He
myself.
just yelled at me though.
He yelled at
Yeah,
you
he just yelled at me.
because you let
That's
him.
what I said. Like I got distracted when you was talking. Nigga. Slow down, man. You moving too fast.
No such thing.
I gotta make it make sense of what I'm finna charge you.
A bottle. You already.
If that's the
told me.
case, then slow down.
We gotta bend this out some more in order for them to.
Well, that's what they told me on the description. That's what they told
He
me.
watched it on
Bullshit,
YouTube.
Swear to God, bro. I literally sat and watched the video on the nigga, bro.
And you still brought it
They'll
over
go all the way in, so you gotta alter the little middle piece, bro.
He said, I just watched the video on YouTube. He said, you still brought it over here.
still
Dumb ass. Oh, that's how you do it? I have to call Angel.
Yeah, because all he did was like bend this inside part up some more. That bitch pulling me.
Do that shit.
Shut your ass
Do
up.
that
I ain't say you can't do that shit.
Do that shit.
Nay.
But he making
Did it come on? Nay.
you making it harder. That's why the motherfucker ain't going in.
He gotta put the ground on there.
I'm gonna be like Russian ass nigga.
You got the different ones. You must have bought the cheap one.
Wow. Well, nigga, all of them was the same price.
Oh, one of them was $10 more.
You think so?
I'm just, I'm just talking shit.
Turn your high beams on.
You gotta put that red one on.
He ain't read no directions. He just started taking shit off the box and plugging it up. And shit come on.
Cause he just did that to the delt.
The depth and this is 2 different things.
The
You do
headlights
that
ain't.
to the depth.
The headlights ain't.
I'm like, what the fuck?
They both old schools. And they both take plugs.
One the other one not.
Which one not raggedy?
Shit, neither one of them.
Just talking shit.
Ain't none of them no Lexus.
What?
This nigga in this Lexus.
That cheap ass ball L back there.
That 2003 fitted cap wearing ass Lexus. On my mama. Yankee jersey busting ass. That's my mama. Yo, get rich or die trying. When you looking in the mirror.
There you go. Ooh, we got action.
Ass, nigga.
Bingo, we got action.
That bitch on?
Yeah.
That motherfucker crazy.
Bright as fuck.
My mama slap the shit out of you, touch my shit too.
Fingerprints all over it.
Hey, that nigga be in the car like.
That bitch look good. Bro, that motherfucker give it a whole new face. Look at that.
Hold on, wait a minute. Did y'all catch that?
Your shit go look like
Yeah,
a.
y'all caught that, nigga. He heard me, nigga. Fuck you mean,
He
nigga?
was gonna slap the shit out of one of them.
Who said
This
that?
nigga.
Oh, we gotta run that shit back. Look. Hey, it's gonna be another hell no. Oh, what?
Hey, that shit look so weak.
What, this right here?
Hell yeah, right there.
Cheap ass nigga, that's how you been riding.
This is somebody grandma on that side. That bitch can't see.
That's,
The other one ain't come over there.
that's how you been riding, cheap ass nigga. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at your cheap ass.
They both don't come on at the same time.
Nope.
One is high beams, one is low beams.
Yeah.
That's how.
That come from being cheap.
I don't come from being cheap. It's the way you can get them both on, cheap ass nigga. Look at
Hop it. Both of those was on.
Nigga Rigger just
That's because them the old ones.
together.
Damo just learned how to drive last weekend, so
You need some electrical tape?
no. We use duct tape. I put some of these in the box here.
I bet you do. Yeah.
I like the whole light though. The whole light just look better to me.
They even got the other ones where they got the whole ring going around.
No, you lying. Them halos look so good.
Bro,
They
the
look
Halo.
good.
The box
bro.
Chevy
Like
coming
it's
down.
separate, like
I can see my Chevy coming down with them halo lights. That bitch gonna look like something off
bro, they got the
Transformers.
old
On
one,
what?
that little teal one, whatever
I want,
color it is.
it look like Transformers, the little eyeballs. On
He
what?
got the ones with all the lights in it.
No, he got lawnmower shit.
Bro, your shit look like a Transformer when you do this. Like Bumblebee in them with the eyeballs and
Put
shit.
the rest of the screws, Blues
Your
Clues.
face.
They over here.
These niggas cheap as a bitch.
They over here, John boy.
Oh, so the spray paint, the black one. The black one.
No. Too late.
Too late. You supposed to did that on your own time.
I was gonna do it while you was putting the shits in.
You got the spray paint?
It's at home.
Cheap
So he wasn't finna do it for real.
No,
No.
I forgot it when I left out.
Damn, nigga, you can have lunch right here on this little space. This big ass little.
This one ain't even. Said you could have lunch.
All right, fat ass bumper. Don't worry, you can make a sandwich right there.
Sandwich, a whole sandwich. This right here is gonna make the car look like it's worth $10 instead of $5.
She died.
I better get off my shit.
You scared to sit on it? It might break.
You need to put something on the Lexus then.
So what? That Lexus is
So
brilliant.
we can at least get $2 out that motherfucker. You put some halos on it.
50 cents.
You can get something out that motherfucker with the
Lexus
halos.
got AC. This one don't. That Lexus
It's
start
coming,
up.
man. It's coming. Don't even worry about it.
That Lexus start up.
That one do too.
Ride smooth. That one don't. We'll ride smooth.
That Lexus.
That motherfucker do not ride smooth. One leg bigger.
The Lexus,
One leg bigger.
the Lexus start up and drive with shift gears. That one don't.
Oh,
My door's closed without two people. That one don't.
dog.
Yeah, shot.
Damn.
Dude,
Came through with the calico.
Your shit was just overheating and we wouldn't do nothing but ride.
I'll go turn your radio on right now. Let's go listen to the music right now. Your radio on right now, cheap ass nigga.
You got 20s on the right. You got 20s on the right and 20s on the left.
Hey, we ain't gotta go over there. It's right there. Look at the video. Hey, motherfucker.
Ride better. The
Oh
left
God,
side
you got
ride
22s on one side, 20s on the other
Tyrone,
one.
he was riding behind us. Tyrone said, "Is that my shit?" He said,
Okay.
"Like some change."
Okay. It was. It sounded like some keys, bro. All I heard was. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
He just tried to go in. Stop playing with
On smooth ass Fond du Lac, his shit was loud as a bitch. Smooth ass.
change in my mother.
Your shit sounded like the principal was coming down the hallway. We was by Culver's. It was smooth as a bitch by Midtown. Oh what? It sounded like the principal was coming. I'm like, what's that noise? Over the music and everything, bro.
He said, "That's my shit." I said,
And he was a car back, looking ass.
He said, "No,
"Oh, you had one down there."
my door is open with one nigga. Y'all just don't know how to do it, cheap ass nigga."
Your license plate peeking over the car.
There you go.
That motherfucker trying to see what's going
Try
on.
to open the door. Every time he try to open it, he be hitting the fender and shit.
He said, "Let the window down. And I ain't gotta walk up to the car."
I'm finna go turn your radio up.
Go ahead.
I know it's on.
Nope.
Drop that bitch like you
But you took it out?
No, I rewired it the right way. What's up with you now, Tyrone?
What's going on, gentlemen?
Mr. TJ?
got the pennies on.
TJ over there clean, pimping today, ain't you? But you got a car show today?
What?
Oh, okay, you just out.
You ain't shit. Back on the back of that head.
Half off. 50% off. That motherfucker literally 50% off.
What was? His shirt?
That hat.
Oh, his bait?
TJ Jr.
That nigga finna give him $1. You
You looking, fool. I got 4 of them.
Cheap ass nigga.
Fuck you mean? My name is Carl Key. Ain't nobody sneeze off me. This one finna break.
If you was working at a job, you wouldn't even get the full pay. You ain't even been working an hour.
I know, right?
You
Trying to slow down. Huh?
Somebody wanted me to try it out.
said what, baby?
What you say, baby?
You can't find the what? What's on fire? Looking at
Said she need to fire her hysterectomy.
Right.
What we doing today, man?
Outside.
I'm definitely not fucking around in the house today.
If I can move my bay around, I'm definitely outside. If bro can call the trailer, I still ain't gonna be outside. I smack that bitch on the trailer and be all around the city today.
Just trailing it, motherfucker.
Trailing that bitch. What? Dragging that hoe. They gonna be
Every time
like,
he see some hoes, he gonna pull over, jump in it.
nope. I ain't gonna do none of that. I'm gonna do the boss shit. I'm just gonna let the window down like I'm on the phone. Like, hello? Keep on going. They gonna be like, ooh. I went though. Yes, sir.
Would be slick though.
They gonna be like, why you ain't
You know,
driving?
it would
The
be
show
slick,
Sunday, bro. Something go break. We know something go break. Don't
In
worry.
the car while it's on the trailer, jacking like he be jacking.
Cheap ass nigga? No. No. No.
Said that
No.
Funny as shit, we
Like
make
Black
this
Sunday,
drive.
pulling in Black Sunday different.
I could have split the bend around that.
You need to get your shit registered. You thinking as soon as you get your shit running, you gonna want to drive it.
This is funny. Just come, Angel. It's you, buddy.
That sound real. Never mind.
So yeah, I'm coming.
That's what she said.
Just come.
That's what she said. Just come, Angel. You know about it.
Angel was a bitch, his name would be Shalaya. That's so goddamn messy.
Dude said Shalaya. Either Shalaya or Tatiana, because he showed me outside.
Tell him, man. Tell him, man.
I'm finna go grab me a beater from around the corner.
I don't know what for. They told me you don't fight hoes.
What? Oh, you stupid, dog. You stupid, dog. You right, I love the hoes. I ain't gonna do that one. Oh, God.
Some said he don't fight you.
That's why Angel
You hear me?
brown beaters on.
Oh, well, that's why he got all color beaters. That's why. That's exactly why. Woman beater.
You a bold motherfucker to wear a black beater.
You
Angel had a black beater under the black shirt.
What you do, Skinny? You got that bitch some new eyes?
Yeah, I had to make sure she could see the pimping in the peak. You
Ooh.
see? And it matched the little things in the front. Look
You
like
bust that hoe down, man. Oh, that look good, bro.
They look
These
real
headlights look way
They
better,
just
bro.
made the car look better.
Take a picture of this bitch.
That's that black and white.
They just made the car look better. Let's see what they look like.
Yeah, that made a big
It
difference.
look way better.
Now
A
you gotta
way
do-
big difference.
Now all you gotta do is get a car that look just as good as those, cause you cheap.
Hey, you look like you be with them one niggas, them
This broke-ass car
you like you be with them Glaze team niggas.
Do the signal. Hit the signal. I ain't got no signal.
That's cause you ain't got no. There ain't no signals in the headlight.
My
Anyway.
mama, they was down
I ain't
here.
got no signal.
What you mean?
Flick it.
How you gonna flick it with no key?
Flick it.
Make it make sense.
Just turn the what's your name, the hazard tone.
He done threw the keys.
You're a
See, I
cheap
caught
ass.
the bitches like Jesus.
Dog.
We gone.
Cheap ass.
Let's see if we do like
That's
the
how I
next-
was yesterday in my old shit.
Yeah, all right.
No?
Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right. Yeah,
Dude said, let's see what we do like the
fuck it up
left.
my starting, nigga. Crank my shit up. Stop
Supposed
playing.
to start.
Stop playing with my shit, nigga. Start my shit up. Fuck
There you
it
go.
up.
He said, there you go.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold
Hey,
it.
better leave my shit alone.
There you go.
Supposed to be coming through the
Hell no.
They was on behind me. When you know you was behind me, right? This whole morning.
right. No. I'm saying,
I ain't mean to do you like that on Sherman.
cut on the lights once.
Them don't supposed to light up. Right, cheap ass nigga.
No, bro. Y'all not understanding me.
You feel like they was supposed to have the turn signal in the headlight.
They do.
But
That's what them extra wires is
This
for.
definitely
So
ain't
when
that car.
So when you put them wires on,
Oh yeah, Blink, I know what
for
you're
the-
talking
Old
about.
school's
yeah,
headlights-
then you gonna get that yellow blink up.
Old
there,
school's
too.
headlights don't got
White
that
one.
though.
No, you can. That's what the
He's
wires
saying you
for.
can hook the turn signals to them.
Right.
Oh, you run them wires to the wires down there.
Yeah, to the ones that's
Like, put them
in
together.
there. Yeah, you run them together, and that's how you get the turn signal in the light.
I get what you're saying.
Like a newer car.
But then your shit gonna be blinking like hazards in the back.
Huh?
Then they gonna be blinking like hazards in the back. When you turn the left signal on, it's gonna
No,
be
they not.
left.
No, they
in
not.
front.
No, they not.
The ones I put in that Camaro
They
like
don't
that.
blink
man.
the
Oh, it's like that third light that I got in the Chevy. You know we supposed to hook them up to the signal?
He do got a third light.
Cheap ass.
You got a third.
Hey, you know that third brake light? It's some wires that hook up to the signals because they supposed to light up when I push my shit too. We just didn't go that far.
But yeah, we can.
Cheap
we can
ass.
do it like this for now. I just wanted my
Same person who did these headlights did my brake
Terrible,
light.
terrible, terrible. Terrible.
Same nigga.
Lexus.
Wake up looking at.
Who said, hey Alexa, cheap ass bitch, she only work around Wi-Fi.
That motherfucker's a
I'm finna walk
fire
around to the store, y'all.
Come on. Go get to the question.